They noticed people staring at them. Ẹ̀rù bà wọ́n, thinking they could be killed. However, they didn't realize that the figures were statues until they got closer. As they neared the village, Moremi suddenly felt weak. Her vision blurred, and she collapsed into Adetunde's arms. "Moremi, stay with me, Moremi," he cried, lifting her up and rushing towards the village. The villagers ran to help as he placed her in her father's hut. Her father worked tirelessly, mixing herbs, chanting prayers, and calling upon the gods to spare his daughter. Hours passed. The air inside the hut was thick with the scent of healing herbs. Adetunde sat by Moremi's side, gripping her hand, whispering prayers of his own. Then, at last, her eyes fluttered open. Relief crashed over him like a wave, but his joy was short-lived. When she tried to speak, no words came out. She held her throat in confusion, her breathing quick and panicked. Tears welled in her eyes as she realized her voice was gone. The chief priest bowed his head, sorrow in his eyes. "The gods have taken her voice. That was their price." Adetunde's heart pounded. No, there must be another way. There must be a way out, like another sacrifice. The chief priest shook his head, his voice heavy. "She gave her most precious gift. The gods have chosen this fate." Moremi let out a silent sob. She touched her lips, then her heart, as if to say, "I am still here." Adetunde put her into his arms. "I don't care. You are alive, and that is all that matters." She wept against him. The gods had spared her life, but at a great cost. Some villagers whispered that Adetunde should let go of her. They said, "A woman who cannot speak is a woman who cannot be a wife." But Adetunde silenced them. "Moremi is still Moremi. If I must speak for both of us, then I will." The chief priest watched them in silence, knowing that love had won against fate.